our conversation used to be few far in between. DJ Brick, but now I just wanna talk to you every day, man. Look, I'ma be a man about the situation. See what I'm facing is the love you have for me since the beginning of time. In the beginning you shine, illuminate them dark places. I'm gracious, forever trying to stay in God's grace. It's okay then, let the believers just holler amen. And when I put my trust in you, my problems seem to cave in. Just say when I go when you need me, because I know you got your son covered like a teepee. You see me, I'm standing on this word, y'all. You'll be ready when the devil throw you on the curveball. You took me out to Mario, on fire for you, Lord. And you even had a plan for this old country boy. I know you said above all things you wish that we would prosper. Believe I know you meant that. You gave this gift to me, don't put no one above you. That's why I don't mind saying, Lord, I love you. That's why I don't mind. DJ Brick, Lord, I love you. That's why I don't mind. Yeah, Lord, I love you. That's why I don't mind. Lord, I love you. That's why I don't mind. Yeah, call me blessed when I'm stressed, Lord, I come to you. You're my doctor and my lawyer, Clarence Cliff Huxtable. You real with it, 100, man, you never lie. Y'all can try, but I bet you never found a better guy. Alpha and Omega, but your boy ain't talking Greek. I'm like, Lord, how you make the world in a week? DJ Brick, something special, not to mention how you died for it. You rose up, now your spirit down the ride for it. You give me purpose and serving you with an honor, and I'm glad you gave me a wife and not a baby mama. It's just the little things we all seem to take for granted. My feet are planted and your love is the Smith is handed. If I wrote 1,000,000 bars, it wouldn't be enough. So I'm here to let you know, with in God I trust. He gave this gift to me, don't put no one above you. That's why I don't mind saying, Lord, I love you. That's why I don't mind. Yeah, Lord, I love you. That's why I don't mind. Yeah, Lord, I love you. That's why I don't mind. Lord, I love you. That's why I don't